Namaste. My name is Chavan and I am the student of IHM Mumbai, currently studying in third year. I belong to the coastal region of Maharashtra, which is called Konkan coast. I think usually when we think of Indian cuisine, we celebrate most of the famous dishes. But hidden in the nature and the forest, there is a culinary heritage which has been nourishing the tribals of Konkan for generations now. Those are not just foods and recipes, but they are the simplicity, the culture, and the harmony with nature. The dishes that I will be preparing are Ukda Tandalachi Kheer and Bambucha Kombachi Bhaaji. This dish represents a beautiful connection between the forest grown and paddy fields. Today, here I am in the village of Konkan, which is called Margaon. I will be preparing all of my meals on this wood fire oven, which is called chula. In traditional tribal homes of Maharashtra, it is a staple equipment which is always placed in the kitchens of Konkan. It gives us woody, smoky flavor to the food, and it adds an authentic touch to the food. Today I've got all the indigenous ingredients which are required for the today's dish. This is called Ukda Tandoor, which is called a parboiled rice, a traditional variety of Konkan coast which is grown in paddy fields. This is called Bambucha Kombachi, which is a bamboo shoot self harvested in monsoons. This is a spice blend called Malwani masala, gathered around 12 to 17 spices altogether. This is turmeric powder, this is curry leaves, garlic and onion. This is cardamom, these are basic table salt, this is mustard seeds, this is fresh coconut, black jaggery, milk and coconut oil. The first step, we will wash the Ukda Tandoor 2 times at least. After washing the rice thoroughly, we'll soak it for 15 minutes. The coconut is a staple indigenous ingredient which is always found in Konkan homes. It is a highly beneficial. This equipment, it is called vidi in Konkani. It is a grater which is traditionally found in Konkan homes. It is a place to sit and a grater which comes with a sharp edge. So we'll grate our coconut on this. With this sharp end of vidi, we'll cut the jaggery. The rice has been soaking for 15 minutes. Now we'll put it on chula till it gets soft. Then we'll chop the bamboo shoot using this slicer. We will chop the onions and smash the garlic, which will help to suppress the astringent flavor while cooking the bamboo shoot. We will soak our chopped bamboo shoot for at least 15 minutes to get out its astringent flavor. This equipment is called Pata Varvanta in Konkani. It is a traditional Konkani mortar and pestle which is made out of stone. It is used in cooking and grinding all the gravies or masalas. It adds up to minerals, and today we are getting the coconut milk by crushing all the coconut on this. By grinding all this coconut on this stone mortar and pestle, it adds authentic minerals and earthiness to it. Then we'll squeeze out all the coconut milk by using a cotton cloth. The rice is completely cooked, it is softened, and then we'll add milk to it, jaggery to it, and cardamom. The Ukda Tandoor is completely boiled. People ask why Ukda Tandoor. There are many varieties in India which do a rice kheer like firni, tasmai kheer or payasam. But Ukda Tandoor has a special feature. It absorbs the flavor very nicely and it adds up to nutrition. Now to this, We'll add a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric, and the coconut milk that we extracted from the coconut. This is turmeric leaf. We'll add it to our kheer. It has a beautiful aroma and it has antibacterial properties. It leaves a good taste on the kheer. Ukda Tandalachi Kheer is now completed. We'll just set it aside, and because of the gyration process, it will get thickness which we require. After soaking the bamboo shoot for 15 minutes, we'll then boil it for at least 15 minutes again to get out its bitterness. We'll add a little bit of salt so that it cooks faster. As you all can see, the water has turned yellow because the bamboo shoot leaves out the toxins and tannins. As the bamboo shoot is now cooked, we'll strain it and squeeze out the excess water. We've got our bamboo shoots drained by squeezing out the excess water. Then we'll give the tempering by using coconut oil, mustard seeds, garlic, curry leaves, and then we'll add onions to it and cook until they are just sweating. We'll add our bamboo shoots to it and we won't cook it further, but let's just combine it with the tempering so it gets a crispiness. We'll add a little bit of Malwani masala to it, turmeric and salt as per taste. This is all now combined. We'll just plate it together. We've got a freshly cut banana leaf and we'll plate our kheer onto it. Then we'll garnish it with holy basil known as tulsi. This dish is basically harmony of early monsoon found bamboo shoot and a rice field paddy of cultivated rice which is called Ukda Tandalachi. We have used Katkari community for tributing them with this wholesome recipe that they have provided us. This dish is a festive dish of those communities of tribal they use when the gatherings, whether they are festivals. If you feel this video was informative, please do like and comment and also share with your friends. Thank you.